Hi traders and welcome to the daily recap show for today, which for the US session, which was Monday the 7th of November. So we said initial resistance today on the S&P was at 37.88 to 37.96, and acceptance above there could see moves towards 38.38 to 38.46. So let's go and have a look at the S&P today. Okay, so we've had a quiet session on the S&P today. Expecting that mainly most of the week. We have got not got a lot of market moving news out this week, so it could lend itself to some very quiet sessions. We did get a sort of a reversal here from that initial resistance zone. However, there was no liquidity grabs or anything like that to make that really high probability, and this would have got 1-to-1 risk to reward, but nothing really more than that. And again, a little bit the same up here. I mean, it's held this resistance zone, but no real clear. There's some reversal patterns there, but nothing like really high probability with any like real liquidity grabs or really good signals. So nothing really there. We've just broken above. We're coming into the last hour of the session. We have got a bit of a continuation pattern here actually that's just set up, but not something that I'd be looking to take going into the last hour of the session when we've had such choppy action. So that's the S&P. Really nothing to do today on that. Let's go and take a look at the Dow. So here's the zones of reference that we have for the Dow today. We said initial resistance was at 32,600 to 32,650, and acceptance above there could see moves towards 32,975 to 33,025. So let's go and have a look at the Dow today. Right, we did also say we had aggressive support at 32,350 to 32,400. You can see we opened up in between these two, the two zones that we mentioned, the 32. 600, 32,650 and the 32,350 to 32,400. We did get a push down. We didn't quite make that 32,350 to 32,400 zone to get a long on. We did see, again, a reversal pattern here. From that initial resistance zone, that would have been a valid trade. We had got the liquidity grab there, and then we would have wanted to risk manage this down into this zone here. So hopefully that, if you had taken that, that would have been a break-even trade. We then got the it did continue to hold as resistance here, no real clear reversal pattern, and then we got the acceptance above the zone here, and we got a continuation pattern here. This one was earlier on in the session, so I would have been happier to take this one rather than the S&P one that's just triggered now in the last sort of like 45 minutes. This one happened a couple of hours ago, so this one would have been better having broken up, and we've got the momentum here. We've got a push up, pull back, continuation, push up to get the acceptance, pull back, and then the continuation there. So this one would have been a little bit dangerous having not got that full acceptance above that zone, but once you got the acceptance above the zone, this continuation pattern would have been fine, and that would have been a really, really nice trade up into this zone here. And if you had taken that, although we haven't got to those ultimate targets up at 32,975 to 33,025, you've got a really nice risk to reward trade into this zone here, so I'd be booking my profits for that trade here. So a really nice trade there on the Dow today. Not so much on the S&P to do, but I hope you find these reports useful. Please let me know the value that they're adding to your trading. I hope you're profiting from the reports. Please come join the service. It's completely free, and the link is in the box below on our YouTube channel. Please also subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Again, it's completely free, and it just helps us get our recognition up. So I hope you're finding these reports really useful and the recaps useful. I hope you had a great start to the week, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers.